Hi, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and I'm here with Restclouds neck and compression device. This has been a major game changer for me. One of the things I really love is how easy it is to use. You simply lay on a hard surface for a few minutes every day, and voila, it does its job for sure. Also, it is not that way, but it's the little bumps that help show you that it should be aligned with your neck. So that way you know you're doing it properly. It is really well made and compact. I've even taken it with me before on vacation, and I like that you can easily clean it, especially if you're sharing it with someone else in your household, or just even if it's gotten some dust, you can just give it a quick little wipe down and then it's all good to go. So do something nice for your neck today. Go ahead and get your Restcloud neck device and you will not regret it, but that's my point of view.